and Bitcoin's observed a pullback in the past day, but these factors may imply that the cryptocurrency's rally can continue. A couple days back, Bitcoin had started observing some sharp upward momentum, and by yesterday, the cryptocurrency had managed to breach the $28,500 level. In the past day, however, the asset has registered a decline, falling below the $27,500 mark. And that is a great updating model. While it's uncertain whether the rally is over or not, some signs can be optimistic for the investors. As explained by the on-chain analytics firm Sentiment, two positive developments have occurred related to Tether, the largest stablecoin in the cryptocurrency sector. The first indicator of relevance here is the USDT supply on exchanges, which measures the percentage of the total circulating supply of a stablecoin in the wallets of all centralized exchanges. Here is a chart that shows the trend in this Tether metric over the past year. Usually investors store their capital in the form of a stablecoin like USDT whenever they want to avoid the volatility associated with the other assets in the sector. So investors generally plan to go back into the volatile side of the market. Eventually, though, is they would have instead gone for fiat if they didn't. Fiat, and once these holders feel the time is right to dive into Bitcoin and other coins, they trade their stables for their desired cryptocurrencies. Naturally, such a shift provides a bullish boost to whatever assets they buy using their stable coins. Investors generally use exchanges for conversions like these, so the current supply on these platforms can be considered potential dry powder ready to be deployed into BTC and others. The graph shows that the Tether supply on exchanges had plunged to a low of 17.6% a few months back, implying that the available buying pressure from the stablecoin had run out. Interestingly, this low in June had occurred in the lead up to a sharp Bitcoin rally, implying that the plunge in the exchange reserve of the stablecoin was in fact because of it being converted into the asset, thus providing the fuel for the surge. However, the rally back then couldn't be sustained as BTC eventually faced a struggle. In the months since this low, USDT reserves have slowly built back up on exchanges as 24.7% of the stablecoin's supply is now sitting on these platforms. Unlike that previous rally, it would appear that this latest surge has a store of potential buying power available that may be deployed at any time. In the chart, Sentiment has also attached the data for another metric, the combined supply of the 10 largest Tether whales. It would appear that these humongous investors have also increased their holdings during this period, implying that they also carry significant dry powder now. It now remains to be seen whether this stored up USDT will be converted into the cryptocurrency to provide support to the surge in the coming days or not. At the time of writing, Bitcoin is trading at around $27,400, up 5% in the last week.